What can you really do with less than $100? Not 1,000, not 10,000, just 100. Most people think it's not enough to invest, not enough to grow. But they're wrong, because in options, you don't need a lot of money to control something bigger. Today, I'm opening a real position with less than $100. No hype, no gambling, just structure. Instead of buying shares, I'm using a spread, because a spread controls risk. It defines the maximum loss and the maximum gain before the trade even starts. I open the position by selling a call at 743 and buying protection at 744. The total credit is around $15, and the maximum risk is under 100. Now, everything is defined. If the market moves in my favor, this position gains value. If it doesn't, my loss is limited. No surprises, no margin calls. This is not about guessing. It's about positioning. But here's the real edge: time. This trade is not about minutes, not about hours. It's about the next 30 days. While most people chase fast money, I let time work in my favor. So this is step one: a real position under $100, structured, controlled, repeatable. Now we wait. And in 30 days, we'll see what actually happened. Not theory, reality. This is how you build from almost nothing. Why options instead of shares? That's what we're breaking down in the next video.